Welcome back. Today I want to show you another tutorial on how you can save your mobile data. If you observe, sometimes you enter into your gallery, you are going to see a lot of files being downloaded automatically and saved into your phone storage. And sometimes you wonder where these files come from. It is from your WhatsApp. You have failed to turn off the following settings. So in this tutorial video, I want to show you how you can turn these settings off so that your WhatsApp will not auto download these files into your phone. So if you are ready, let's go. Head over to your WhatsApp app. Then you see these three dots, tap on it, then tap on settings. Then you scroll down until you can see storage and data. Storage and data, tap on it. Then you look for media upload quality. This one, you can leave it as standard quality when uploading any image to WhatsApp or to a friend on WhatsApp. The quality is going to be standard quality. But if you want high quality, then you tap on this. But it's going to consume more data. You can see it can consume up to 6 times the data size that this one will consume. Okay, then this is auto download quality. Auto download quality. Now here you see it is at auto. It means the system will decide for you, but I will suggest that you tap on standard quality here. Then let's continue. You see media auto download. Voice messages are always automatically downloaded. When using mobile data, you see this option here. Make sure you turn it off. Like mine, can you see it? Turn everything off. WhatsApp should not download images for you automatically. If it does that, it means that if you are in any group, any images that are being sent to that group, automatically it will be downloaded into your phone storage, which will consume your phone storage and will also consume your data. Then when connected to Wi-Fi, also I will suggest that you unselect. Make sure you unselect everything. Exactly. Then when roaming too, the same thing. So with this option, you will be able to save a lot of data. It will save you unnecessary stress of deleting different files in your storage. Can you see this? Manage storage. Tap on it. From here, you can be able to delete files that are downloaded into your device. So once you're able to open them on your WhatsApp app, then you can select all and then you delete. If you don't want them, you delete these files from your WhatsApp. With this, you will save some space in your phone and you also save some data in your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Please subscribe to this channel for more.